In presentations, the color black is the strongest non-color you can choose. It absorbs light and instantly makes everything else on the slide feel sharper and more intentional. Black often shows up as a dark background, a bold accent, or a framing element that makes content feel more serious, cinematic, and high-end. Psychologically, black is tied to elegance, sophistication, power, and authority. Think formal wear, luxury packaging, and high-end brands. Black also carries association with mystery, control, and seriousness, which can be great for strategy, security, or executive content, but it can feel cold and heavy if it's overused. Black has a true dual personality. It can be sleek and minimalist, or harsh and overwhelming depending on how you use it. Well balanced, black feels modern and confident. Pushed too far, it can feel oppressive, fatiguing, or hard to read, especially with long text and poor contrast. Black or very dark backgrounds are especially effective when you want drama, focus, and emotion. They work best in dim rooms, big screens, and keynote-style talks where the slides support your story rather than carry full paragraphs of content. Strong moments for black? High-impact openings and closings, title slides, bold quotes, or your core big idea. Storytelling, where you want the audience looking at you while the slide stays minimal. Luxury, security, innovation, or executive presentations that need a mature, serious tone. Here are some best practices for black. Use black backgrounds for moments, not miles. Don't make every slide heavy and dark unless the environment really supports it. And keep text short, large, and high contrast, like white or very light, to protect readability from a distance. Used well, black can turn a regular slide into a cinematic, focused moment that feels powerful, premium, and unforgettable. For your next presentation, choose one key message, an insight, price, or promise, and try putting it onto a simple black slide with just a few big words. Let the silence and contrast do the rest. Want more color psychology tips and presentation help? Visit me at kevinlerner.com.